G'day guys, the Wandering Donkey here again. In this episode, I decided to leave Europe and make my way back to Australia. But on the way home, the back's feeling better and I decided to do a last minute trip to the Mentawai Islands. Sit back and enjoy some epic surf action. So we're here in Bali. I've been in Canggu 3 days. Last minute trip, spoke to a mate, owns a bit of land, owns a little homestay up in Tua Pajet in the Mentawai Islands. So he hooked me up with a last minute deal to stay up there for 10 days. So heading out to the Ment, surf looks fun as, surfing hollow trees, Lancers left, Lancers right and left, also known as hollow trees. Heaps of waves on the island, gonna be there for 10 days. Packing now, got 2 flights, we've got buses, we've got taxis, we've got boats. It's gonna take 2 days to get there, but super excited, let's go. So we've made it to Padang. We're gonna get some food. We're just staying on the river. Got a budget hotel for the night. Oh, how's the lighting? Got a budget hotel for the night. It's been 2 flights. We made it here. We've got a ferry tomorrow. Then we've got another boat. Once we get there to the island, we'll be in the Ment. But I'm gonna get myself a nice local feed, get a good night's sleep, and then hit it for tomorrow. Hopefully get some waves tomorrow afternoon. Let's go. So we've arrived in the Ment. What do you reckon, boys? This is the boat. What do you reckon, brother? Let's go. 1.5 hours on this thing. What do you reckon, boys? Jake and Dom from the East Coast. What do we reckon, lads?
Pretty fucking good.
Pretty cozy. Not bad. So we've just pulled into a little village. The homies are chucking on a new outboard. I think we've been going at half speed, so an hour and a half might turn into 3 hours. So today, the waves are pretty average, pretty small, smallest day of the week, so we're gonna go spearing. Got the boys, got the tinny. Let's get out there.
Wave.
Day 2 update. Just here. Got a little bit of rain around. Still got a really small swell. We're waiting for the period to come up a bit today. Hopefully get a surf this afternoon. We went for a paddle late at night last night, but it was flat. But last night was nice. We had a cool dinner, had a good sleep. This morning I'm just gonna do a bit of a workout, have a little bit of a stretch, loosen up, and then wait for the swell to arrive. Let's go.